Death is often described as the separation of body and soul. The first edition of the Encyclopedia Britannica defined death in this way. With the passage of time, our understanding has evolved. So, has death become more complex over time? No! Death remains the same. It's our perception that has changed. Understanding death. Centuries ago, how did people recognize death? They would hold a feather in front of the deceased's nose. If it remained still, the person was considered dead. With the introduction of heartbeat detection in the 18th century and later the stethoscope, our methods for confirming death have significantly advanced. The process of decomposition. The process of death begins when the body can no longer receive sufficient oxygen. As the brain's functions cease, so do those of the body. For a few minutes, certain cellular functions may continue. Powered by ATP, the energy unit derived from food. Within 15 to 25 minutes, blood circulation halts, and the body starts to pale as blood settles due to gravity. This pooling results in a bluish discoloration on the back of the body. Cellular and tissue changes. Different types of cells have different timelines for death. The brain requires a significant amount of oxygen. Without it, the entire body quickly follows. Interestingly, during activities like holding your breath, the brain can temporarily use stored oxygen, delaying discomfort. Near-death experience ND. Near-death experiences ND reveal fascinating insights. Upon the heart stopping, endorphins are released and body temperature drops rapidly. A process known as algor mortis, where body temperature decreases by 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit each hour until it equalizes with the surrounding environment. Rigor mortis and beyond. Within 3 to 7 minutes, the brain's oxygen supply depletes and cell death begins. However, muscle cells can survive for several hours. As the acidic environment decreases, the plasma membrane ruptures, causing muscle stiffness known as rigor mortis. Enzymatic breakdown. When cells die, toxic enzymes leak out, raising pH and creating an alkaline environment. Lysosomes, often called suicide bags of the cell, release their contents, accelerating decomposition through a process called autophagocytosis. Bacterial activity. After death, anaerobic bacteria in the intestines begin to consume the body. These bacteria create unpleasant odors as they break down amino acids, leading to putrefaction, which attracts insects. Within a day, larvae hatch and rapidly consume the decaying tissue. Color changes and gases. As decomposition progresses, the body changes color, starting green as hemoglobin breaks down into bilirubin. This color change can indicate the time of death, which forensic experts can analyze. External changes. Gas buildup within the body causes it to swell. By 1 week, the skin may lose elasticity and internal organs dissolve in fluids, leaving only bones behind. The fragility of life. After death, the human body becomes the most vulnerable entity, while the legacy of one's actions remains valuable. This decay process serves as a reminder that life, this body, is transient. Ultimately, death is a natural part of existence. Let us reflect on our lives and the impact we make while we are here. We are not eternal. We are merely temporary custodians of this life.